it's your boy DJ Chaddy and I'm back again. People, wagwan. I hope everybody good. I hope everybody alright. So for the first time, you check out the Chaddy TV. Don't hesitate to hit the subscribe button and turn on post notifications so anytime we upload videos like these, you definitely are going to be the first to know. Now people, today we have a little mix up for sure. We have a little mix up where I go on right now between Danger, Tall Up, Able Boss and Dyema. But people, let me give you a little rundown and a little backtrack and oh, that's what me I go. So a few weeks ago, Spice started her go down the competition. Where in total, Spice was giving away $1 million in total. Now Danger came second place in that competition. So that would make fair winnings to be 300,000. And that is Jamaican dollar. Now people, a bag of things are going on the internet. I said the money no share right. And who gets 60 grand and it not going good. I'm going to explain that for you right now. So Able Boss assisted Danger in the competition. You know, editing skills, bring ideas and all of them things there. But guess what now? When Danger came second in the competition, Able Boss only gets 60 grand. So right now, out of that $60,000 with Able Boss, with Danger give Able Boss, Able Boss have to share up that $60,000 between him and 3 other people. So that would be $15,000 a piece. So Able Boss has said that no fear because Danger win $300,000. And if you subtract the 60 out of it, that would have left $240,000. She alone a get. While him have to share up for him little $60,000 for him and 3 other people. And him a say that not right. You see me? So Dyema and Tall Up, which Dyema and Tall Up are Danger family. We don't really know how it go. One a sister and one supposed to be cousin. But tell me in the comment section how it go. Them do a live and I say, yo, John will star them lose off her because she should have shared the money better than that. You see me? But before we play that live, because we have an entire live here, we are going to talk about this shirt that I'm wearing now from Nasira. So this shirt is actually a shirt where I tell you say, yo, for where you come from. Quality is on point, and if you are on Jamaican, you must forward from one of them parishes. So just where you come from, no? Where you're from. Alright? You can link them on Instagram at NesaraMaj876. Or you can visit their website at nesaramaj.com. Alright? So go and go check them out now. They're in Portland, because Portland I forward from. Probably you forward from Clarendon. So you're in Clarendon right there, so. Or Mobile. I don't know. Kingston. Anywhere them can put it on a shirt for you right now. Alright? So people, let's hear what Dyema and Tall Up have to say.
Sister, auntie, cousin, uncle, relative, our friend. Yeah, remember saying I went to your right, you know. Me name off everybody head for internet, you know. And cause everybody here, you know. And right now you're wrong, I mean not care.
You know what? It vexed me, cause guess what?
You're wrong, we are talking,
the man saying do it off of film strength.
You tell about a post,
the man saying me not even know me let me all post that, I don't know me not even me don't want not even deal, I mean not post that on my page and for show you me not even business about that, me just support you 100.
Me
talk to you as a big sister.
I don't care.
Me I talk to you as a big sister, your cousin, we are tell us say give the man way, it no matter your agreement, then deserve more than that.
You know why? Let me tell you something live. You know why me come live?
Me burn me.
It burn me. I mean, what I wanna go sit down. I wanna go sit down and say, when people trouble Danger, them me nyama people.
We talk.
We talk. Seriously, when you're wrong, me I tell you you're wrong. I mean, not care where you want it. If you don't wanna deal with me, back feel like me not care. That not fit right. That not fair. Cause the man put out his editing skill. You know, listen. You
never want to listen to me yet. You never want to listen. You don't listen. Everything you sharp me down. You're not supporting. You don't listen.
About the fucking lucky. Not take back the phone. We're not lucky.
And people for drape, you don't deal with people, so.
I mean, I go sit down,
I mean, a response to neither.
How me go sit down? So remember Uni, anybody kiss Uni, I mean, you know, everybody on the internet.
But me too, me always appear by your thing.
So if Danger wrong right now, me I go tell him say wrong, I don't care.
Me no business.
That's how it goes. Me no care if me wrong and me. I walk with Una and you can't tell me something wrong. Me no give a fuck that no family ship or no friendship. You're wrong cause the man do what if I work, wanna team up, wanna do what if I work, share the money fair.
It no matter. What I mean, call
Or share it all you want.
we call Danger. Listen up. We text Danger, we call Danger right now. A big station right now. Danger diss me up on my phone and done disrespect me already.
No, me not listen up. Me not call nobody. I saw me stay. Remember saying, I'm telling you something. Anyway, David, then listen. Let me tell you something. Remember saying if on this, nobody for me, you know. Me have everybody head on the internet. So why now when my family around me not for talk? Me not gonna talk, me not busy if you want vex. If you want to put in the work, want to share the money properly.
Yeah.
Share the money properly.
Share money for you.
Everybody put in their fair share of work, their fair share of skills.
Yeah. Everybody have their fun.
Me not care if you want vex. Danger, but that is not nice.
It's not nice.
And if you don't want to deal me for after today, I don't care. Because just when people diss up on this, me name off their head. So me not see why when you're wrong if it dumb. Me nah go dumb. Remember me a big 40-year-old. Remember me I tell you the truth. Remember this not nice. You all on a team up and enter a competition on the editing. When you do what you have to do, you all on to come together, compromise and share the money on the share it. And when you get the man out of boundary.
Then things that give people bad name. Me don't like that, and then guess what? Me and your sister, anything you do, it fall for me and me always have to defend you.
But this is one little money. This is one little argument that we talk to you after here.
And you still an attitude. We talk to you after here, you give it.
No, me go come
live. You gone live. No, but you go live and talk inside and turn and comment and talk about it and tell you unfair.
You're unfair.
You're unfair. The whole lot of
fair share work, the money to share fair. And Danger, if me and your cousin, and I need you do that, and you give me that out of so much money.
Argument.
That argument. Me not take that. Me not take that. There's no fear in that.
You can't deal with people.
No, me not busy.
Every time you do something, he bounce back for me. I mean, I take no blame. I mean, I want nothing rock for me. Danger, and tall up. And my way is different from Danger. Danger stay or she stay, and me stay. And me I split justice and me don't care.
No, but I'm right.
Fair.
But if me and you take for instance, say, take out every boss out there. And say me and him team up and enter that now. And we win 300,000.
Yeah.
And then give me 60. Me and you won't take that?
No.
Fucking brand me give him back.
Your business.
Listen. Why? Listen.
Yeah, disrespect.
Danger said when he come up with ideas, that's what he said, right? He might hear about say second for no money. Which when me tell you something, me don't know about that.
So he tell you about say ma give him a thing. Regardless of what. Even if you don't settle to something, the man say him jump for it because of me and him know I'm my sister and him feel good for it because at the end of the day, me always give straight and them something.
What Danger do something like what me a piggy better for me. Yeah. So me a piggy do the ads them, right? When me a piggy do the ads, me a piggy in the ads, you know. I just invite you here, you know. And each time me do ads, me give him money because me and him a do it because if you know video, me go get the video.
Yeah.
Right, and my mama want a little talking in the background. So he will on the team up and he will on do.
And the man fan base, the man editing. The man campaign and say, out of your goodness of your heart, girl, you should have said, even if you say, alright, me a get a thing. Even if you don't want splitting, half give man 100 grand because him have film people them too. When him carry him, I forget everybody.
Well, they just said him a able sign the agreement, but until me a tell up behalf, full behalf was half and half.
Yeah.
That we did say.
Yeah.
And it caused problem we say that.
Yeah, them say no.
Them say no.
Big problem.
Right? Them say they just said him a able never make no decision where the money win or you go. But most likely if you have money team up and do something and you win, you use your conscience better than that. Come on, girl. That's not nice.
That's true.
That is not nice. And then
here about you have to come but look at my family. Whoa, you're too disgusting, but look at my family.
What you mean Danger? Listen.
What you mean by look at your family?
Remember me a big cousin. I remember saying listen. When nobody near me at the edge on the internet, you know, remember me take them on. So if you're wrong, me sit down.
Why you want we contact say you're right or you're wrong?
Not say you're right.
Why you want we come on this contact say you're right when you're wrong? Why you talk about look at your family? Look at you. You're too ungrateful.
Yes, we go on your shit, Danger. Yes, go on your shit. Yes, we are on your shit. Or anything you want, tell me, I don't care.
In a business
like that. You know why me come live on my behalf, without you. Remember say no do me nyama.
Yeah.
Me know everybody go say so all day my quiet. No, me not do this, me not do this.
What you talk about family?
And if me wrong,
me not do the definition of family. They just not chat.
We talk
about family.
Danger, listen, we talk to you.
I know the definition of family.
Class we up.
But I always say family. You don't know the definition of family, so don't do that.
Me no business in
You come on level, come
listen.
talk about family.
Listen.
You fuck up.
Let me tell you something, I don't care if we are family. For we blood clot wrong, we're wrong.
We in the whole of we in the
Even if I
entertainment.
listen.
The whole of we in the entertainment
Even if I
world.
listen.
The whole of we in the entertainment world. And you go live and this go live.
Even if I when me do them so danger come and say that.
Yeah.
You know the vex, you know?
And that me
I
I
just
say.
hold my corner.
Yeah. But come and chat about family. Where you want defend wrong? Where you want? Why you want take this thing and come and talk about
Remember your ask,
about family?
Remember your
Why you
ask.
talk about family for?
Listen, remember your ask. So we
But
said
watch
to
it.
you,
It's disgusting.
remember we never did that or no?
Don't
Listen,
me
no,
about
listen,
fuck
no. We
like
don't remember we never.
Because me I say me no want involved in no spice, nothing to do with spice. Come here
Listen.
down one day and me no want nothing to do with this. And look there.
Listen.
Me end up coming at this. Me no like certain things.
Listen, you know.
Burn me out.
Remember where you talk half the ear, you know. Listen, remember where you talk half the ear, you know. We say half and half, you say no so you go carry and never second the agreement, then we say, alright then. You are arguing, but we never expect you to go give the man 60,000. That no make no sense. That can't make no sense. Danger, because when me and my cousin do ads, I have to pay Piggy. And Piggy face now show once a while, Piggy face show. And me could feel the good in my heart, you know, say, alright, then me collect money for your ads and a Piggy help me, and me not give him my money. Me I go feel fuck up in myself. Because without Piggy rise the camera, oh, me I go get video. You know more time I want somebody for video me when Piggy gonna work. You know it take hard for me get somebody for video me. So me realize that she's important to me in that role. You know much time he gonna work and me can't get him for video me and me can't get nobody. So me realize that she's important to me. So me have to share with me and her. Cause without her, me can't go through life. What you mean by look at my family? Danger, so we do support you and no dog. That means say no. If you wrong and somebody you fight, we chop out them blood clot, but we still have to tell us you're wrong. So that means say if you even wrong and you're there road and you somebody you fight, we not go in it, but we still have to tell us you're wrong. So if you want vex with me for life, I'm out.
So be it.
So people hear from Dyema and Talo. Alright? Situation kinda sticky because you know say Dyema and Talo always a stick out for danger. Even in our day when the little Ray did a go on with Spice, Baby Father and Ray, them did forward and defend the girl straight. So if you see, them are come out right now and talk out against her and them are able boss and a family like that, you must know say probably Dyema fi take one step back and look into what really go on and evaluate it and see if the umbrella can get a little bit more. You see me? But that's my opinion still. Tell me what you think about that in the comment section below. And people, don't forget to check out necessarymaj.com or check them out on Instagram at necessarymaj876. Alright, so that's at necessarymaj876. It's your boy DJ Chaddy. And guess what? One way. Any other way, the wrong way. My God.